Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi has been confirmed dead after a helicopter carrying him and the country's foreign minister crashed on Sunday evening. The helicopter that was also carrying other top officials in the country apparently crashed in the mountainous northwest of Iran. A massive night operation in the fog-shrouded forest was a little too late, as the Iranian Red Crescent and the Iranian state television reported that there were no survivors from the helicopter crash. The crash had initially been described as a hard landing and happened amid bad weather on Sunday evening. The Iranian Red Crescent Society announced early Monday that they found the location of the wreckage of President Ebrahim Raisi's helicopter after it was detected by a Turkish Akinci unmanned aerial vehicle. President Raisi's helicopter was completely burned in the crash. President Raisi and the others on board remained missing more than 12 hours after the crash, with Turkish drone footage suggesting the helicopter went down in the mountains. President Raisi had attended the inauguration ceremony for a dam in the Iran-Azerbaijan border on Sunday by helicopter. Iranian state television reported that the accident occurred when Raisi's helicopter made a hard landing while returning from the region. Iranian Foreign Affairs Minister Hossein Amir Abdollahian Malik Rahmeti, the governor of East Azerbaijan province, and Imam Ayatollah Ali Hashim of Tabriz province were also on board the helicopter. Iran's President Ebrahim Raisi was in Kenya in July 2023 when his counterpart President William Ruto hosted him for a state visit. Iran, which faces sanctions from most Western countries, had begun renewing its diplomatic partnerships with the African continent. President Raisi, who was aged 63 at the time of his death, was seen as a frontrunner to succeed Ayatollah Ali Khamenei as Iran's supreme leader.
your distinguished delegation, Honorable Minister, I am truly delighted and highly privileged to have this opportunity of welcoming you and your delegation to Kenya. A tremendous honor to the people and the nation of Kenya. Your choice, this occasion offers us yet another chance to affirm and celebrate the special bonds of friendship and brotherhood that honorable members of your delegation, distinguished guests, ministers present, good morning. I take this opportunity once again to express on behalf of the people, the government of the Republic of Kenya, our gratitude to His Excellency President Ebrahim Raisi and his delegation for honoring us with a visit, his first ever to Africa and the first stop on his tour to our continent. It is a special privilege to host President Raisi in Nairobi, and his presence is testimony to the strong ties between Kenya and Iran. It is also a demonstration of our shared commitment to cooperate for the benefit of the people of our two countries. I am delighted to report that President Raisi and I have just concluded highly productive bilateral discussions on a broad range of very important issues. During our meeting, I affirmed to His Excellency President Raisi the important place of Iran as a critical strategic partner for Kenya and the value that we place on the friendly and fraternal relations between our two countries. On our historical engagement and areas of cooperation in development that include education, scholarship, infrastructure, health, water, fisheries, agriculture, and housing, urban and metropolitan development, among other areas, I expressed our gratitude and commitment to expand and deepen these relations. President Raisi and I had the opportunity to engage views and share ideas about emerging opportunities to improve the balance of trade between our two countries.
Today, African countries and our fraternal country of Kenya, they registered our enthusiasm and their willingness for having relation with Iran, and their Iranian products in different fields could be made available in Kenya and find their own markets. And I'm sure that the president has created this atmosphere and this groundwork, and this visit, which is a turning point in the development of a relation between two countries, could create the market, could further create markets for Iranian products in Kenya and by extension and in the east of Africa. I'm sure there are possibilities for that. We welcome with the development of relation between Iran and Kenya. We greatly welcome such a development of relation, and with the talks and exchange of notes that we had with the president, with the meeting earlier today, we registered the determination and resolve of both countries for expansion of economic and trade cooperation, political cooperation, cultural cooperation between two countries. And I hope that the authorities and the relevant authorities and officials in both countries could exercise a lot of effort in order to provide the groundwork for further cooperation of relation between two countries, which also could lead to development of regional cooperation to those regions that Iran has access to, and also those regions that Kenya has access to. I hope that this could lead to development of regional cooperation and ultimately to development of international cooperation and adoption of shared position in defense of human rights. Our positions in combating corruption, our shared position in combating narcotics. These are the fields of cooperation that we could have at an international level. And today, what we want for development and relation, what we want for the relation and development relation between two countries and two governments is absolutely, we don't see any barriers to development of relation between two countries and two nations, and believe that there are no insurmountable barriers for development and expansion of our relations. And I'm sure this could be a right groundwork for expansion in other different fields. At the conclusion, I really would like to express my gratitude to the hospitality accorded to us by the President and by extension the government of the Republic of Kenya. I hope that this visit could be a turning point in developmental relation, and also we could have the President of the Republic of Kenya in Tehran, so could take this relation to the next level. Once again, I would like to express my gratitude to the noble and dear people of Kenya, and also by extension the people of Africa. I really would like to express my greetings to all of you, and I would like to salute you. I hope that on a daily basis we see the strengthening and expansion of the relation between the people of Africa and the people of Kenya. We hope to see and also take it to an acceptable level. I would like to thank you all.